What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode, and finally I have time to make another video of sorts. Today I'm going to show you how to actually upgrade your laptop using an eGPU. So without further ado, let's cut to the chase and bang! Right here I have the Razer Core X and a AMD Vega 64 graphic card by Gigabyte. So you might be wondering, what's an eGPU? So eGPU is basically external graphic cards for computers such as like the MacBook, which has Intel Iris graphic cards that doesn't really carry its weight. So to boost its performance for video editing, for gaming, we use external graphic cards. So if we go ahead and open this box, we'll see right here that there is another box which looks like a shoebox. Yeah, so you just go ahead, and this is the graphic card unit. Looks like, oh man, my injured hand. Yeah, it looks like this. This will be the brains of the graphic card. Just gonna set this over here. Alright, now moving over to the Razer Core X, just need to open all these boxes, and inside you'll find the cable box. This one only has the power cable and the manual. Just set that aside first. Now the main unit is inside. Alright, so I gone ahead to took the liberty to take it out of the box because it was really too heavy, so I had to do it off camera. Yeah, so this is the Razer Core X, and this is where I'll be putting the card in. So I'll just do a quick B-roll to show you how even a crippled man like myself with my broken arm can assemble this eGPU. Alright, and that wraps it up. So this is the Razer Core X, and it does seem to be working on my MacBook. I can see it registered over here. So what this is it just makes my life a bit easier, faster for things like rendering 4K footage out of exporting 4K footage out of Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro, as well as rendering footage while I'm working within the application itself, as well as for Photoshop and Lightroom. Importing the photos from my SD card into the app will be a lot faster. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in the next one.